Welcome everyone. Today we delve deep into a topic close to my heart, the transformative power of morning routines. We're talking about those precious early hours that set the stage for an extraordinary day. You see, I truly believe that how you begin your morning can make or break your success. It's about creating a sacred space for yourself, a time to connect with your inner self and set your intentions for the day ahead. Today, we'll unlock those secrets, those simple yet powerful rituals practiced by some of the most successful individuals across the globe. It's about harnessing the power of the morning to achieve peak performance and live your best life. Now, many of you know I'm a passionate advocate for the power of meditation. Starting your day with just 10 minutes of quiet reflection can make a world of difference. Imagine this. You wake up, take a few deep breaths, and allow yourself to simply be present in the moment. This isn't about emptying your mind completely, but rather observing your thoughts without judgment. It's about finding that stillness within, that quiet space where creativity and clarity reside. And the benefits? Reduced stress, improved focus, and an overall sense of calm that carries you through the day. Whether you prefer guided meditation, focusing on your breath, or simply sitting in stillness, find what resonates with you. Make mindfulness a non-negotiable part of your morning routine and witness the transformative power it holds. Movement is life, my friends, and there's no better way to invigorate your body and mind than with a morning workout. Now, this doesn't have to be a grueling 2-hour gym session. Even a brisk walk in nature, a quick yoga flow, or a dance party in your living room can work wonders. Exercise releases endorphins, those feel-good chemicals that boost your mood and energy levels. It's about getting your blood flowing, waking up your muscles, and preparing your body for the day ahead. And let's not forget the mental clarity that comes with exercise. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind, allowing you to approach challenges with a fresh perspective. So, find an activity you enjoy, something that gets you moving and grooving, and make it a non-negotiable part of your morning ritual. We've all heard the saying, breakfast is the most important meal of the day. Well, it's true. Just like you wouldn't expect a car to run without fuel, you can't expect your body and mind to function optimally without a nourishing breakfast. Think of it as providing your body with the essential nutrients it needs to kickstart your metabolism and fuel your day. Opt for whole grains, lean protein, and healthy fats to keep you feeling full and satisfied for longer. And don't forget about fruits and vegetables, those vibrant sources of vitamins and antioxidants that boost your immune system and overall well-being. Remember, a healthy breakfast is an investment in your health and productivity. Successful individuals understand the importance of clarity and direction. Take a few minutes each morning to review your goals, both short-term and long-term. Visualize yourself achieving them. Feel the excitement and motivation that comes with pursuing your dreams. Next, prioritize your tasks for the day. What are the most important things you need to accomplish? What can be delegated or pushed back? By creating a clear roadmap for your day, you'll stay focused, productive, and avoid feeling overwhelmed. Remember, your time is precious. Treat it as such by prioritizing your tasks and aligning them with your overall goals. It's about making every action count and moving closer to your desired outcomes. Now, I know waking up early isn't for everyone, but there's a reason why so many successful people swear by it. Those quiet hours before the world wakes up are golden. It's a time for uninterrupted focus, deep work, and creative thinking. Imagine this. You're up before the sun, sipping your coffee as you tackle your most important task of the day. The house is quiet, your mind is clear, and you're filled with a sense of purpose and accomplishment. That's the power of early morning work. It allows you to set the tone for the day, get ahead of the game, and create a sense of momentum that carries you through. Even if you're not a morning person, try shifting your schedule by just 30 minutes and see the difference it makes. So there you have it, secrets from the morning routines of those who've achieved incredible things. Remember, your morning routine is a sacred space, a time to connect with yourself, set your intentions, and prepare for an extraordinary day. I invite you to share your own morning routine in the comments below and join our #morning routine challenge. Let's inspire each other to start our days with purpose and positivity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more content like this. Until next time, keep hustling.